How do you relax? How do you relax?
I relax by reading a book. I relax by reading a book.
Why are you late? Why are you late?
I'm late because of traffic. I'm late because of traffic.
Do you play soccer? Do you play soccer?
Yes, I play soccer. Yes, I play soccer.
Can you dance salsa? Can you dance salsa?
No, I can't dance salsa. No, I can't dance salsa.
What color is your car? What color is your car?
My car is blue. My car is blue.
Where did you find this? Where did you find this?
I found it in the park. I found it in the park.
Are you on Facebook? Are you on Facebook?
Yes, I am on Facebook. Yes, I am on Facebook.
How was the movie? How was the movie?
The movie was great. The movie was great.
Can I take your picture? Can I take your picture?
Yes, you can take my picture. Yes, you can take my picture.
Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith. My teacher is Mr. Smith.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel. I'm reading a novel.
How do you say this? How do you say this?
You say it like this. You say it like this.
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car. Yes, I can drive a car.
Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not allergic to anything. No, I'm not allergic to anything.
Can you sing well? Can you sing well?
No, I can't sing well. No, I can't sing well.
What is her profession? What is her profession?
Her profession is a doctor. Her profession is a doctor.
How do you do? How do you do?
I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you.
How long is the flight? How long is the flight?
The flight is 8 hours long. The flight is 8 hours long.
What did you eat? What did you eat?
I ate pasta for dinner. I ate pasta for dinner.
Can I have a receipt? Can I have a receipt?
Yes, I can give you a receipt. Yes, I can give you a receipt.
Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift. My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets?
You can buy tickets at the box office. You can buy tickets at the box office.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
The bathroom is down the hall. The bathroom is down the hall.
Who made this cake? Who made this cake?
My mom made this cake. My mom made this cake.
Can we go together? Can we go together?
Yes, we can go together. Yes, we can go together.
Where is my phone? Where is my phone?
Your phone is on the table. Your phone is on the table.
How much is this? How much is this?
This is $46. This is $46.
Why do you study English? Why do you study English?
I study English to improve my skills. I study English to improve my skills.
Is this your book? Is this your book?
Yes, this is my book. Yes, this is my book.
Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV. Yes, I watch TV.
Are you going home? Are you going home?
Yes, I am going home. Yes, I am going home.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
I am 30 years old now. I am 30 years old now.
Do you have homework? Do you have homework?
Yes, I have some homework. Yes, I have some homework.
What is your job? What is your job?
My job is a teacher. My job is a teacher.
Why is the ocean salty? Why is the ocean salty?
The ocean is salty because of minerals. The ocean is salty because of minerals.
How long have you waited? How long have you waited?
I have waited for 30 minutes. I have waited for 30 minutes.
Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one sister. Yes, I have one sister.
What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 p.m. I sleep at 11 p.m.
Can you swim well? Can you swim well?
Yes, I can swim well. Yes, I can swim well.
Do you know her? Do you know her?
Yes, I know her. Yes, I know her.
How is the weather? How is the weather?
The weather is sunny. The weather is sunny.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I am running for exercise. I am running for exercise.
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography. My hobby is photography.
Where is the nearest restaurant? Where is the nearest restaurant?
The nearest restaurant is 2 blocks away. The nearest restaurant is 2 blocks away.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Are you a student? Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. Yes, I am a student.
Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am feeling okay. Yes, I am feeling okay.
Where did you study? Where did you study?
I studied at Harvard University. I studied at Harvard University.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am going to the library. I am going to the library.
Is this your first time? Is this your first time?
Yes, this is my first time here. Yes, this is my first time here.
Are you hungry now? Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am a little hungry. Yes, I am a little hungry.
Do you have pets? Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Alex. My best friend is Alex.
Can you solve this puzzle? Can you solve this puzzle?
I can try to solve the puzzle. I can try to solve the puzzle.
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I'm happy. I am smiling because I'm happy.
What does this mean? What does this mean?
This means it's a good opportunity. This means it's a good opportunity.
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
No, this seat is not taken. No, this seat is not taken.
Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie?
No, I haven't seen this movie. No, I haven't seen this movie.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at a bank. I work at a bank.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week.
Can you speak French? Can you speak French?
Yes, I can speak a little French. Yes, I can speak a little French.
Are you learning English? Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English. Yes, I am learning English.
Can I come in? Can I come in?
Yes, you can come in. Yes, you can come in.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
I went to the store. I went to the store.
فضلا منكم وتحفيزا لنا، اترك تعليق وإعجاب، واشترك في القناة ليصلكم كل جديد.